Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shana. In today's video, I will do this look. I call it as the peach aesthetic makeup tutorial. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, do watch the video till the end. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button as well. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. So I will start off with my brows, and this is eyebrows from Innisfree, the Auto Eyebrow Pencil. This one is in number 6, and I will just simply draw my brows. I will just follow my brow shape because I already have my brow shape. After that, I'm going to use this eye primer from Decay. This is the eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm going to use this palette. This is the Timeless palette in Allure. They are from Sofwanah Cosmetics. You can get this for 10% off by using my code SYANA Shana and buy them there. Get 10% discount using my code and you can own this pretty palette. I love this so much. Look at that. So for a base, I will just take this shade. This one. I will take this shade. And I will take this shade. This one. Using the same brush. This one is the brush that came together with the palette. And then I will just do it like this, taping them on my crease. And then step out. Using a smaller side, this one, I will use the same shade and apply it down here. This one, the orange one. This thing has a slight shimmer on it. It looks so beautiful. It has a little, like a slight shimmer to this. So using my finger, I will apply them on my lid. I want to add something more on my lid, which is a little bit sparkle, and this is the numbing, what is this? Numbing Dazzling Eye Glitter, and this one is in the code Not Orange. So I'm going to draw a liner like this using this hypersharp liner from Maybelline. And then I will curl my lashes. Put on a false lashes. This one is the one that I use. So I'm going to put this on. Done with this eye, we're going to do this one. So I'm done like this, and I will do my base makeup real quick, and you will just see them fast forwards on this video, or I will just put clip by clip so that I will not waste a lot of time for explaining everything, because this is basically the same thing that I usually do when I do my base makeup. So yeah. So I'm done with my base makeup and contour, so now I'm going to blush my cheek. To blush my cheek, I use this Elianto makeup. This one. Oh guys, 주세요. I'm going to put the blush right here. And then I will highlight my face using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one is in number 100. And then I will use this numbing lipstick. This is the soft matte lipstick from Numbing in code Meaningless. So I'm going to use this Sofwanah Wonderstruck lip cream in Stellar, and this one is my favorite shade, one of my favorite, and I will put it at my inner corner, inner part of my lip like this, and just do it like this. Then blend them. So this is the final look. I am loving it, and I've already changed my hijab, and so far my eye is my favorite part because of the lashes, and it makes my eyes become a lot more beautiful. And then I have the highlights right on my nose, heavily highlights right on my nose, and then the lip color is pretty as well. I am loving this look and I'm pretty satisfied with it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more video like this, to click on the bell button so that you will not miss any new video from me. And there will be more K-pop related covered makeup in the future, so if you don't want to miss that, do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, see you again on my next one. Bye bye.